Hello guys, I'm Azhar and in this video we will do the task which I have given you in the previous video. So in this task what will we do? We will ask a user to enter a number and then we will print the table of that number. So I will do this task by two methods. One by using loops and the other by not using loops. So let's move into our code editor and do a task. So here in our code editor, what will I do? I will first ask a user to enter a number. So for this I will use input function, and here I will write, for example, enter a number, right? So one thing keep in mind that here the input is a string and we need an integer. So what will we do? We will convert this string into integer. So for this we will do again we will make another variable, and I will call it number. It will be equal to integer of a. So the string here which the user will enter will be converted into integer here. To convert it into integer we use this int followed by two braces. So now we have an integer. So first we will do this task without any loops. So for this what will we do? We will use print, right? And for this, for example, I will write the table of any number. So for this a is actually a string now, so we can add two strings by plus sign. So the table of that number is, right? After that I will write, for example, that number, that is which is number, I will use here a, which is a string, plus for multiplication sign I am using x, plus I use 1 here, and like equals to is I am setting the format here, and it will be equal to what, plus. Now I will convert the result of number times of 1 into string here. So to convert it into string we use str followed by two braces, and in it I will write number multiplied by 1, as you can see here. Let's run this and see our result. So here I will enter a number, for example 2. So as it has shown here the table of 2 times of 1 is equal to 2. So let's add some more spaces here to beautify this, you can see. Now let's run this again. I will enter number 3 and press enter, and here as you can see 3 times of 1 is equal to 3. So I will write this line of code 10 times. So I will copy this and paste it 10 times. So here as I have pasted it 10 times, I will now change it to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here I will again change it to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now let's run this. I will enter number 4. So as you can see here our table is printed. 4 times of 1, 4 times of 2, and like this. All our table is printed here. Now what will we do? I will remove this up to here, and now I will use loops to print the table. So for this I will use a for loop for, and here I will take any variable I, for example n, and range I will set the range from 0 to 10, and here as we know that the upper limit is not included, so I will here write 11 and to that this, and take care of this indentation. It must be at some space away from the start, so that it means that it is a part of this for loop. So what will I do now? I will here write I. So for this I will remove this. Here I will write string of I, because I is a integer, and here I will write equals. So this will print the table of that number which the user entered, and here I will also write I. So now let's see the output. Let's run this. I'll enter number 2 here. So this will be out of this for loop like this. So now let's run this again. I'll enter number 2, and as you can see it has printed the table of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now here we have lower limit 0. I will set it to 1, and again table of 3 for example, and as you can see here table of 3, the 1 is 3, the 2s are 6, and the 3s are 9. So in this way you can use loops to reduce the lines of code. As in the previous method, you have seen that we have wrote somewhat like 15 lines of code, and in this we have only written just 5 lines of code. So loops are very useful in every programming language. So I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like it, so hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.